In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Zoho Books data efficiently and securely. Ensuring that your data is backed up is crucial for protecting your business records and maintaining continuity in case of any unexpected issues. So, let's dive right in and go through the steps needed to achieve this. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a variety of settings options that you can adjust according to your needs. Now, with the settings menu open, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Here, simply type the word export. This search will help you quickly find the relevant settings related to exporting your data. It's a useful feature that saves time and helps you navigate directly to what you need. After you've typed in export, you should see an option labeled Data Management Export. Click on this option. This section is specifically designed for managing your data exports, making it an essential area for performing backups. Once you're in the Data Management Export section, look for the button that says Backup Your Data. Clicking on this will initiate the process of backing up your Zoho Books data. It's a straightforward step, but incredibly important for safeguarding your financial information. Backing up your data ensures that you have a secure copy of all your critical business data. This can include financial transactions, client information, and other vital records. By regularly performing this task, you're taking proactive steps to protect your business and ensuring that you can recover your data easily if necessary. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently back up your Zoho Books data. Remember, making regular backups is a good practice to keep your business running smoothly and to protect against data loss. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for support or explore more guides on Zoho's Help Center. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.